Hello guys, another day, another interesting video from KALINGAEURO. This side Raj, and today I am here to brief you something about the Europass CV. The Europass CV is a standardized curriculum vitae format developed by the European Union to help individuals clearly and effectively present their skills and educational qualification throughout the European Union. It is specially useful for applying jobs, internships, and educational programs across European countries. Some of the key features of the Europass CV are its standardized format, which makes it easier for the employers and the institutions to compare the qualifications across different countries. And our next feature, which is one of the most interesting feature of this Europass CV, is it is available in different languages. As a result, you can create your CV in any language as per your choice. Now, let's go to the process. So, first we need to log in to the Europass portal, where it will be asked to sign in with a valid email ID and a password. But before that, we need to register here. Let's continue with the registration. We need to put our email ID and the password. Remember, we need to change your verification method to password, and with that we can sign in. As you can see, it is the home page and it asks us to choose a language. Here we are choosing English as our language. Next, you can see a button saying create your Europass profile. Just click on that. Start from Europass CV, start from a profile and create my profile. Click on create my profile. As you can see, it has basically 4 components: the personal information part, the work experience, the educational and training, and the personal skills. So let's fill a form and know how it is really done. Here it is asking about the date format. Now we need to put our first name and last name. Be very sure about putting the first name and last name in a correct order. Next, it is asking about the passport. It is actually one of the identification methods, and I have put passport over here, and I'll be putting the required passport number. Next, it is asking about work permit. You don't need to put anything over here because at this point of time we are not working anywhere, so just leave the place as blank as it is. Next, we have to put the place of birth. Kindly be very sure and write it in a very efficient manner. Here we go with the place of birth. Then it is asking about the country. Kindly select the respective country in which you reside. Then comes the gender and nationality. Here it is asking about the email address. Kindly put a valid and active email address because we would be getting information through that email address only. You can add your contact details over here. Now we need to go to the address part. Let us see how the address is filled. We have 2 lines, address line 1 and address line 2. Just go with the flow and put the address as it is in your passport. Here comes the postal code, city, and country. Kindly press the next button and go to the next one, which comprises of educational and training. It is one of the most important part of the CV as it tells about our past experiences in schooling. It has been given the title of qualification. Like you can see, I have put secondary school examination. Next comes the organization that has provided the education. Here we need to put the name of the school as well as its address. Then comes the website, the place where it is situated, and the country. In the date part, we need to put the date from when we started our schooling till the date we have completed it. Here we need to put the field of study and the percentage. Next, the main thing, the occupational skills covered or the subjects that we had been taught in our schooling. Then press the next button. Before going to the next part, we need to add the details of our 12th. So you can add one more section by adding the button add new, where we need to put the qualification of our 12th, same as we did in our 10th. So here we need to put senior secondary examination. Next, the name of the school. You need to put the city and the website. Here comes the city where we had studied our 12th and the country. Here we need to put the date that comprises of our starting date of 12th education till we got the certificate. We need to add more details over here. Here we are putting the final grades in terms of percentage, the subjects that we have covered, then press the next button, and here comes the most important part, that is we need to put our language skills over here. Next, in the section of other language, kindly put the languages that are known to you. And here comes a very important thing. You need to put the levels. So you can get a very detailed level data over here. So just put it as per your proficiency. Next comes the skill part. Here are the skills that you have acquired or you have learned from your schools, colleges, anything. Just try to put and keep very minimum things that has been provided, like Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, the digital things, the computer things that you know. And thus that is how we come to the ending part of our CV. Here you can look over your complete CV. Here you do have the templates, colors, your design. Choose accordingly and press the next button. Here is your almost ready CV. Just put your name over here and download it. So that's how we create a Europass CV. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Till then, this side Raj signing off.